Good morning, dear viewers. I am Nikhil Sharma. I welcome you all to the Krishi Darshan program. So here we are going to discuss about national training at National Academy for Agriculture Research Management for the undergraduate students. Here we have the 4 intellectual students which have already gone through the training program at NAM. So here we have N. Vamshidhar Reddy. He is from SVU College, Tirupati, and he got the Best Trainee Award at NAM. Welcome to studio. And he is Mahesh, and he is from College of Agriculture, Bapatla, and he got the Best Supporter Award at NAM. Welcome to studio. And he is B. Rajendra Nayak, and he is from College of Agriculture Engineering, Bapatla. He got the Best Sportsman Award at NAM. Welcome to studio. And she is J. Lavanya, and she is from Agriculture College, Bapatla, and she got the Best Cultural Program Award at NAM. Welcome to studio. So first we start the discussion by, I request N. Vamshidhar Reddy to, can you please explain about the what are the experience you are getting in NAM?
Thank you, Mr. Nikhil Sharma. First of all, I thank you to our university for sending this training program and NAM to giving this training program. Before coming here, we do not know about any ICT tools in agriculture we use now. But after coming here, we know about different ICT tools and we get a lot of exposure. We interacted with great scientists. They explained about the future opportunities for BSc Agriculture after going to higher studies and higher levels. Before coming to here, we thinking that in agriculture only there are few opportunities are there, and we thinking at lower level only. It will definitely improve our communication skills and other things also. In NAM, we have get a good training for ICTs and its applications. I conclude that NAM has changed our day-to-day activities and our communication skills are improved and my future plans are also changed.
Yeah, faculty is a very important role in the academics. So in NAM, there is a good faculty, that what he is saying. And next, thank you Vamshidhar. And next we go with B. Rajendra. Can you please explain about the visits you got in the training at NAM?
Thank you, Nikhil Sharma. I have great experience in NAM. Once I coming into NAM, so far we visit CREDA, ICRISAT, CDAC and RFC, so many institutes like that. And then finally, those are useful to user graduates like us.
So he is saying that practical knowledge is very important than the general knowledge what we are going to take in classes. So in NAM we are getting many practicals and we get more visits and getting exposure. So thank you Rajendra. And next we go with Mahesh. Can you please explain about what are the facilities available at NAM?
Thank you, Nikhil Sharma. First of all, it is great privilege for me for staying and training in NAM, where newly recruited AR scientists and IAS people are trained here. NAM has great faculty I have ever seen at STILAT. It has good computer labs, tillage labs and video production labs. Video production lab is especially, it is only one in both Telangana and Andhra states. It has also a good library where international and national journals and books are available. It is also has good sports complex, gym facilities and sophisticated health centers. Coming to the accommodation, it has international guest house 1 and 2 and halls of residence where students and trainees are given individual rooms and serving delicious foods every day. It is a very big campus with greenery everywhere. Thank you, Nikhil Sharma.
So NAM has very good facilities which gives the pleasant environment to the students. Yeah, it's good. So thank you Mahesh for giving the very good information about NAM. And next we go to Lavanya. Can you brief explanation about what are the entertainment you get in the NAM?
Thank you Nikhil Sharma. Thank you for inviting me to this platform for sharing my experience over at NAM. The very first day I came with a strange feeling. How could I survive for 1 month with different personalities? But after one day I was very happy with every one of the people who are around me, along with the faculty, along with our friends. And every day starts with a yoga class, which is a new part to our lives. And we used to spend most of our times in classrooms, right? 8 hours we will spend in the classrooms, which is more enjoyable, knowledgeable, which is most memorable days in our lives. And NAM is focusing not only on our educational aspects but also on the entertainment aspect, that is extracurricular activities. We are very helpful and more exposable to that, and we conducted a cultural event, and we are very happy for that. And on evening hours we spent a lot of time while sitting in the lawn and enjoying chit-chatting with each other, interacting with our friends. We used to fight each other, which are most memorable days in our life. And finally I conclude that not only education is also important, and other extracurricular activities also important, that which NAM is focusing on both the aspects. Thank you, NAM, being a part of my life.
Yeah, extracurricular activities is playing a main role at the present day life. So NAM is not only giving importance to the academics and also to the extracurricular activities. Thank you, Lavanya, for giving the good information. And next, so that we have the 4 intellectual persons that they are saying that NAM is very good, one and only academy for giving training to the ARS scientists and faculty and the students. And here we getting the best training for the undergraduate students, which improves the communication skills, soft skills, and getting awareness of the latest technologies which are used in farming. So we are very thankful to your 4 intellectual persons. Thank you, Vamshidhar, and thank you, Mahesh, and thank you, Rajendra and Lavanya. So we conclude this and we end this program, and we will meet again at the same time in the next week, and have a nice day.